Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the MSc online class of class 4th. Priya here. How are you all, students? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, we will do revision of lesson 1 for unit test. God is everywhere. So let's start with prayer first. My God, I believe you are everywhere. I believe you are in me and around me. My God, I believe you are everywhere. I believe you are in me and around me. Though I do not see you, you see me always. Though I do not see you, you see me always. You know my thoughts, words, and actions. Protect me and keep me, O God, always in your holy presence. Always in your holy presence. So, students, pay attention here. I am going to tell you about this lesson again. God is everywhere. Once there lived a guru in a far off country. He was a man of great wisdom. He had many disciples. Staying with the student, they learned many good lessons of life. Disciples here means the students. One day, Guru called upon three of his disciples and said, "Tomorrow by this time, each one of you should present a gift to me. But remember, no one should see you taking the gift." The disciples were very happy. They decided to give the best gift to their Guru. The disciples set out in search of the gift after receiving his blessings. The next day, all the disciples came back. Guru was waiting for them. The first disciple came forward and said, "Guruji, I collected these fruits while everyone took rest after the lunch. Nobody was there in the garden." He bowed down and offered the fruits to the Guru. Guru smiled. There was a beautiful wrapped gift packet with the second disciple. He bowed down and said, "I was waiting for everyone to sleep. No one has seen me taking this." He gave the gift to the Guru. Guru again smiled and did not utter a word. Then the third disciple came back forward with a gloomy face and said, "My dear Guruji, forgive me. I could not bring any gift for you. During the day, when I thought no one was there, I was reminded of God who watches me. In the darkness of the night, too, I could not overcome the thought of God's watchful eyes. Moreover, your words echoed in my ears. God's eyes shine brighter than the shining sun, and nothing can be hidden from those eyes." The Guru embraced his dear disciple who stood empty handed and said, "Dear son, your gift in the most precious gift. This was a real test for you all, and you have won." Then he taught all his disciples, God is everywhere, so we say God is omnipresent. As air is around us, God's presence surrounds us. God sees all of our actions. God listens to all what we say. We cannot escape from God's eyes. My dear students, when you tell a lie, or when you take a pencil from someone without their permission, or when you take a coin from your parents' pocket or purse without telling parents' pocket or purse without telling them, or when you copy down or an answer, you may think no one will see it, or no one will come to know about it, or you have succeeded. But in reality, God, who is everywhere, sees all your actions. So think about God, who is present everywhere. Do good and avoid evil. Students, let's revise over exercises. First one is, you can see, let us remember, be in the presence of God always, walk alongside with God. Who said this? Sant Chhabra. Okay, be in the presence of God always, walk alongside with God. Who said this? Sant Chhabra. Now come to question answers part. Question number 1. Why did not the third disciple bring any gift for the Guru? The third disciple did not bring any gift for the Guru because he realized God is everywhere. Why did not the third disciple bring any gift for the Guru? The third disciple did not bring any gift for the Guru because he realized God is everywhere. Now, question number 2. What do you mean by the statement God is omnipresent? It means God is everywhere. What do you mean by the statement God is omnipresent? It means God is everywhere. Question number 3. Complete the following. Be in the presence of God always. Walk alongside with God. Be in the presence of God always. Walk alongside with God. Now students, write true or false. First one is, God is present in all human beings. Is it true or false? True. Write in the space given true. Second, God watches when I study or play. God watches when I study or play. It is true. Third one, God cannot see me at night. God cannot see me at night. It is false. Fourth, God does not understand my thoughts. God does not understand my thoughts. False. Fifth, God knows when I tell a lie. God knows when I tell a lie. True. Once again, revise it. God is present in all human beings. True. Second, God watches when I study or play. True. Third one, God cannot see me at night. False. Fourth, God does not understand my thought. False. Fifth, God knows when I tell a lie. True. Students, do revision of this chapter for unit test properly at home. Thank you everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.